Hi, Charlene here from Radical Feng Shui with Charlene, and I just want to let you know that I'm finished with my Feng Shui outdoor garden space series, which goes all the way back to May when I was in Costa Rica. So if you want to know more about it, there's several things you can do. One, go back and look at the videos I've posted from late May right until now, and there's specific topics, but I talk about a lot of different things. I talk about how many different gardens there are, what you can manifest, how gardening is really important for keeping us in tune with the outdoors, especially if we can't be in the outdoors a lot, especially if we live in cities and it's not like being in this beautiful family garden. So there's lots of tips. And stuff in my past videos. I'd also like you to go to my blog on my web page, which is www.adarsa.shui.deva, and on the blog will give you all my September courses. So I have 3 courses coming up, and 2 are specifically about gardens. Now what I'll be talking about is gardens and symbology, so we can kind of tune into what's happening in the places that we manifest and how we can work with that to take it another step. So one is about gardens and symbology, the next course, and that's on September 21st. The next course is on September 28th, and it's about how we can prepare for gardens for next year, so 2005, or what we can do during the winter to kind of bring winter gardens in, or how we can create that connection to indoor, outdoor, powerful, positive chi that Feng Shui really wants us to amplify, use in our lives. Now, I have one more course, which is going to segue into my next presentation or my next series, which I'll share with you a couple of videos from now. But I'll be doing a course on Feng Shui for parents with young children. And as we're moving towards September and school, it's a really good time to look at what we can do to amp up and keep our places in our homes harmonious, to create that for our children that are preschool or at home or going to daycare. The shift from summer to fall can be really dynamic and can be a little stressful for parents. So I'm offering that course also on the 21st of September. So please stay tuned. My next little video will probably be an interlude of my summer, where I've been, and then I'll be going into the next video introducing my fall series. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe and have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Ciao.